Hey guys, my name is Sharon.
My name is Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us, please. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. All right? Today, we are going to be bringing you or revealing to you the most influential athlete on the planet. We will be back with financial tip number 12.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not so average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 12. If some of you can throw a football the way you throw around blame, I guarantee you would be awarded the Heisman Trophy every year.
The blame thrower.
The blame thrower. That's who I'm talking about today. You are the most influential athlete on the planet. Blame throwers. Every last one of you watching this video right now knows someone who blames others for everything. For their shortcomings, for reasons why they haven't reached a particular success level in their lives, why they don't have a job, why they don't have a car, why they're so down on their luck. They will find someone else to blame. You know it. And if you don't, then it's you.
It's all on you, player.
All right, I want to particularly address those of you who may have had opportunities in the past to reach a particular success level in your life, but you opted not to. I believe that the reason why you throw around blame, you come up with excuses.
Don't be a jellyback.
You come up with excuses as to why you cannot do a particular thing or why you haven't done a particular thing. I think that you are afraid. You are afraid that if you were to try or make an attempt to do something and it doesn't work out, you are worried about what others are gonna say or think about you. You are scared. So you come up with blame. You come up with excuses as to why you haven't done that particular thing that you know that you desire to do. But because you're a chicken and so worried about others, or maybe you're just lazy. Maybe that's what it is. Your ass is lazy. The only person that's keeping you from your financial success or whatever level of success that you are desiring, not seeking because you're not doing anything, but desiring, it's you. It's not anyone else. It's not your boss. It's not your parents. It's not your past. It's not your mate. It's you. All right, so get up off of your rear end and do what you need to do, okay, to make it happen, and stop feeling sorry for yourself and stop lying and making others feel guilty because you're too lazy to do what you know you need to do. All right, but if you don't know where to start, because I am so kind, that's my husband calling me. Hey, babe. Sorry about that, okay? As I was saying, because I am so kind, and if you want an opportunity to reach your level of success, click on that link below in the description box, okay? And I want you to watch that free video in its entirety, and hopefully you can make use of that information. Get up off your lazy bones. Make something out of yourself. Okay? For the rest of you, I will see you guys on the next video.